Spikenard, or Natastaches jatamansi, is an essential oil known as false Indian valerian root essential oil. Nard takes on its root of a plant and has a strong, earthy, aromatic odor. It is prized in early Egypt as one of the early aromatic produced by the Egyptians and mentioned frequently throughout ancient writings. Spikenard essential oil is highly regarded in India as a perfume, medicinal herb, and skin tonic. It was one of the most precious oils used by priests and kings. Spikenard is helpful in the treatment of allergic skin reactions and skin cancer. It may also help with allergies, candida, indigestion, insomnia, menstrual difficulties, migraines, nausea, rashes, bacterial infections, stress, tension, and wounds that do not heal. Spikenard is also known to be antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, a deodorant, and skin tonic. It is 93% sesquiterpenes in content, which helps oxygenate the brain and erase incorrect information at the cellular memory. Spikenard is used by aromatherapists for rashes, wrinkles, cuts, insomnia, migraines, and wounds. It brings peaceful tranquility. This oil's therapeutic properties are anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antispasmodic, sedative, and tonic. Spikenard should be avoided during pregnancy. Spikenard is a base note.